In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Deliveroo rider support team. If you're delivering and need help fast, whether it's with the app, your account, or your application, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go in the app to reach the right team. Start by opening the Deliveroo app you use for riding. Make sure you're on the main screen and logged in so the support options are available. If your app looks different from what you remember, it can help to update to the latest version first, as menu names and locations can change slightly with updates. From the home screen, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You're looking for the section that groups together help and account resources. Keep scrolling past your usual shortcuts until you reach the area where support items live. Once you're at the bottom, look for the support option. In some regions, you might see it labeled as help, but it serves the same purpose. Open that section to move into the help area designed specifically for riders. Inside support, find and tap on Contact. This is where Deliveroo centralizes its Get in Touch options. If you see wording like Contact or Get in Touch, that's the place you want. On the next screen, scroll down and look for the category labeled Rider and Application. This category focuses on account setup, onboarding, and rider app issues, so it's ideal if you're dealing with anything related to your rider profile, documents, or app performance. Select it to continue. You'll now see a link that says click here. Go ahead and tap that. It will open the dedicated rider help page, usually within the app browser, so you won't need to leave the app. On that page, scroll down until you find Contact Us. It's typically positioned near the bottom, below the common help articles. This section is designed to funnel your issue to the correct support team, which speeds up responses. Tap Contact Us to open the support channel. From here, you'll be able to reach Deliveroo rider support through the method provided on that page. For the fastest help, be clear and concise when you describe the issue. Include helpful details like your order reference if it relates to a delivery, the device you're using, and what you tried before reaching out. Screenshots can also make it easier for support to understand what you're seeing. That's all there is to it. Open the app, head to Support, choose Contact, select Rider and Application, tap the Click Here link, scroll to Contact Us, and you're ready to get assistance from the Deliveroo Rider Support Team.